In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a logo with a transparent background from Polotno Studio. First, open your browser and head to studio.polotno.com. Create your logo or open your existing design. Before we think about downloading anything, make sure the canvas does not have a background. A transparent logo means there should be no photo, gradient, or solid color filling the canvas behind your design. If you've previously added a background, select it and delete it. You can do this by clicking the background layer on the canvas or locating it in the Layers panel and removing it. A quick visual check is that you should see the checkerboard pattern behind your logo, which indicates transparency. If the canvas looks solid white because of a page color setting, switch it to transparent so nothing fills the background. Once your logo looks exactly the way you want, clean edges, no unwanted shapes or leftover images, move to the export controls. Look toward the top right corner of the editor and find the Download or Export button. Click it to open the download options. This is where you'll tell Polotno Studio how to save your file. In the download menu, choose PNG as the file type. This is important because PNG supports transparency, while JPG does not. If you choose JPG, a solid background, usually white, will be added automatically, which defeats the purpose of a transparent logo. If you see a setting labeled transparent background or similar, make sure it's enabled. Also, avoid any option that flattens the image onto a background color. Keeping the format as PNG ensures your logo can sit seamlessly on photos, graphics, or web pages without a visible box around it. When you're set, click the final download button to save the file to your device. Choose a folder where you can easily find it later. The exported file will be your logo with a transparent background, ready to use as a watermark, overlay, or brand mark on any image or website. If you want to confirm the transparency, drop the PNG onto a colored background in another app or preview tool. You should see only your logo with no opaque rectangle behind it. That's all you need to do. Keep your canvas free of backgrounds, select PNG in the export options, and download. With these simple steps, you'll have a clean, professional logo that blends perfectly wherever you place it.